The hidden costs of financial freedom you need to know. Think financial freedom means no worries? Think again. There's more beneath the surface you rarely hear about. You might picture endless vacations and zero stress, but reaching true independence takes serious time and energy. First up, the effort in financial planning. You're not just chilling. You're constantly crunching numbers and strategizing. And guess what? That stress can stack up. Managing your wealth isn't all champagne and celebration. Ever felt left out because your goals don't vibe with your crew? Social isolation is a sneaky price tag here. It's like being on a different wavelength. Friends might not get why your priorities have shifted. Plus, there's opportunity cost. Putting your cash in one place means missing out on something else potentially big. So while you're banking on one investment, another golden ticket might just slip through your fingers. And don't forget the threat of scams and bad advice. A single poor call can wipe out years of hard work. Navigating this maze takes smarts, caution, and often a thick skin. But here's the truth. Knowing these hidden costs helps you prepare and protect your freedom. So if you're dreaming of that freedom lifestyle, don't just chase the shiny perks, understand the full picture. Because real freedom means being ready for the curveballs, stress, sacrifice, and tough decisions included. Are you ready to face the hidden costs and win at financial freedom? Let's get smart, stay savvy, and keep hustling. Hit follow for more insider tips and real talk about money you won't want to miss.